everybody. Welcome to my another amazing course. So today is great. We'll start an amazing journey with you about web development, like full stack web development with React and Django. But before jump to this React and Django, you will learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics, and Python basics and intermediate, etc. Step by step. I already created a schedule for that curriculum, and you will be sure like how to move next step. I will just show you all the things in the exhaustive way. You will be sure how to use all these things together, integrated way. Just no worry about it. So nothing will be tentative. We will use all the stuff in the mindly way, and we will be sure exactly like what we are trying to do in the definite way. Okay. So and we will continue in contemplation. So right, that's the point that we want to do, and I will not distract your focusing during the lesson, during the working together. Uh, so there will be everything clear. You will understand all the things. No worry about it. So let's get started to understand what is our structure for the first point. So this is our course, and the first main topic will be web development fundamentals. In this case, we will talk about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So when we come for the Django part, we will also talk about Python. But for now, we just continue with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript part. I will tell you all of them. And so how I created this course, it's this one, I mean, for part one about this web development course part. So I had there such a research about HTML, and I had past experience that I will share with you. And also, ChatGPT was helpful there to create meaningful contents. It was also another part of my course. So, what is our topics? Let's talk about topics. So, the first one will be understanding HTML syntax. Then we will continue with basic HTML structure, and then we have text formatting in HTML, and also we have comments, how to create comments. So you will just be sure how to use this HTML in the basic way for the first time. Okay, first at all. So then we will continue advance after after some parts. I mean, first we will continue with the basics, then we will continue with the advance. All of them will be clear, no worry. Then we will have the summary part, and we will maybe put our like summarizing things in here, contents in here, to just be sure what we had. Okay. So the first one will be understanding HTML syntax. Below of the uh, first topic, that web development fundamentals. So I hope it will be nice. You will learn enough, and we will continue together. Thank you so much for watching. See you in first part or web fundamentals part. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, and let me open my video if it works right here. Okay, see you in another class for first part of our lesson with the understanding HTML syntax. Thank you so much. Be there, be safe.